I'm Chef Mike.
I'm Chef Nadia.
And we're in Camarillo, California, and we're on lockdown. But we're having fun. We spend a lot of time in this kitchen right here. She's the chef. She really can cook, and she's been teaching me. She's getting me ready for fatherhood because I'm gonna have to hold it down while she's taking care of the baby. She's 9.5 months pregnant right here. So baby's coming out any day now. Hopefully it doesn't come out in the next 20 minutes because we're showing you how to make an awesome meat dish. She's Slovakian and she comes from a rich history of awesome food. I've been over there and they can really make stuff taste good.
What's this thing called?
This is the Mike and Nadia's special meat dish. Did you have a better name for it?
No, that's a good name.
Okay. And so we have a ribeye steak here. It's grass fed. You start by you pound the meat.
You want to be wearing your apron because you don't want the meat all over yourself.
So I've never done this before until a few days ago, but she taught me how to pound the meat. It's not that hard. You want to do both sides. Is that enough?
Yep.
You're a good meat pounder.
Good pounder.
And then you flip it over. You just keep pounding away. Tell me when I'm good here.
Yeah, you're doing great.
All right. So this makes it tender.
Yeah.
It makes it tender and obviously flatter, right?
Yep.
So this dish has some cool flavors. It has onions, bacon,
Mustard.
mustards, and pickles.
Yep.
You wouldn't think these all go together, but they actually taste really good. And what makes this meat really tender?
Show the one that we use. We use the 100% grass-fed beef.
We like the grass-fed beef right from Sprouts.
Why do you like that?
It's healthier. It's better for you. We think.
We eat a lot of meat,
Yeah.
so I think if you eat a lot of something, you should really make sure you get a good quality.
Pretty good.
This portion, I would say, can feed one really hungry tennis player or two normal people.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm hungry, so let's get going.
Is that pounded enough?
That's perfect.
Okay, right there.
So now we put some seasoning.
So now we go seasoning. We have, right here, we have some paprika.
So we make this one. It's actually salt, pepper, and paprika. 1 to 1 to 1.
You guys make it from scratch?
We make the seasoning just because it's easier. Then you don't have to do salt and pepper and paprika. You just do it, you know.
Okay.
So Mikey, go for it.
And how much do you want me to put on this, Nadia? A good healthy
lot.
amount.
I like a lot of seasoning. I don't like food being bland. So.
And should I do it low or should I go up high? What do you think?
Depends how dirty you want the kitchen to be.
Okay, and do I flip it over?
You flip it over.
Okay.
Go a little bit more. In the meantime, we put avocado oil. We use only avocado oil for cooking.
It has a higher burn rate, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't use olive oil for cooking.
That's what I use.
That's why you have a
bad?
hip replacement.
That's
Okay,
intense.
so
Ooh,
we
that's
put a little bit
that's
too much,
that's karma.
but-
That's karma, Mike.
but it's okay.
That's totally fine.
I like it spicy. I like it spicy.
So now it's gonna have a lot of flavor. That's for sure.
All you have to do is just dip it in the seasoning.
So
Okay.
wait, what happened there? Was a faulty cap?
Yeah, I didn't twist it.
Thanks a lot, Bob.
Thanks
I
for putting us on
know
that.
you loosened that up, didn't you?
I did.
You're sick.
Yeah, Bob did it because it never happened before. It's kind of
Okay.
weird it happened now, but.
So now you hold it in your hands, and now we gotta go salt and pepper, right? Or do we already have?
Oh no, salt, pepper, paprika.
That thing is
all on it.
spicy.
And it's gonna be good. And then you don't have to hold it like a baby. Why are you holding it like a baby?
Getting ready for this, Jake. Okay, so you then you put mustard. You just
This
paint
went
it.
from a Slovakian dish to an Indian dish.
this is spicy.
Let's-
This side looks better. All right, so the mustard is
No,
very.
it's good because there will be a lot of water anyway, so it will dissolve. It's not, it's
Okay.
not gonna be great.
We're gonna watch you eat this, Mike.
I might eat the one that's already cooking. Okay, so
This one's for Bob.
now once we got it
Okay.
nice and yellow with the mustard.
Okay,
Okay.
put it.
Okay, we put it back down?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we have the hot oil
Wash
here
my
right
hands.
now. Yep. And we have bacon that's already cut into pieces.
And if you want to watch the bloopers or you want to watch any other videos, go to YouTube, Citi Taste of Tennis, and they have all the videos of what's in your kitchen, the hashtag. So check it out. We love Taste of Tennis. We do their events during the year. Already did the Aussie Open, Indian Wells. Hopefully the US Open happens, but it's an amazing event. I think 20 years now of Taste of Tennis, so they're just really great. All the players come, they help. You see the best chefs in the world, and you're interacting and you're learning how to cook like this, so I love it. We got the bacon cooking up right now, sizzling. We got some onions. Do we do these?
They go in a minute.
Okay, so once the bacon has done about a couple minutes of crispiness, sizzling,
turn it on high
come over and check out the bacon over here. So we're on high heat. All right, let me know and I'll start sprinkling onions.
And then we also, we made rice already because it takes some time. That's gonna be the side of the meat.
Okay.
It's a very simple kind of like a, what would you call it? Like
Prison food?
Prison food. It
No,
doesn't look great,
tastes
but
amazing.
it tastes amazing.
We've had this dish.
Yeah,
we've been 6 weeks in quarantine. We've eaten this 25 times. I love it. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, that's why I actually
favorite
look
dish.
like this. I'm not pregnant.
What have you guys been doing
all
when
meat.
you're not cooking food?
What have we been doing?
Playing a lot of chess.
We're getting ready for the baby. We got the car packed up. It's any minute now. The baby seat's in there. We got a bag full of clothes. Yeah, we love chess. We love chess.
Who's been winning those games?
I
Lifetime.
got the baby brain.
She got baby brain. She got brain fog right now.
Good excuse.
Okay, I'm gonna start sprinkling some onions now.
Yep.
Do you want me to put them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't put them all in there. Okay,
And
so
what's the baby's name gonna be?
The baby's name is going to be Jake, but Jacob, and in Slovak it's Kubi, right?
Yep.
Kubi, and we like the name Kubi because of Kobe Bryant, my favorite player.
Okay.
Yep.
So on the birth certificate, how's it gonna be spelled? Jacob.
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 No, it's gonna be spelled regular English, Jacob. And then we call him Jake in here, and in Slovakia
Nice.
we'll call him Jakub or Kubo, Kubi.
So Jacob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And middle name is?
My name, Michael. Duh. We're
Nice.
gonna say Bob, Jacob Bob, but didn't have a ring to it.
Jacob Bob.
I like
Bryan.
I got a little
Alright.
grease on my forehead, so I'm gonna wipe it off with my Citi Taste of Tennis wristband here.
Go for it.
Boom. All right, and we're doing pickles now, or we
no,
wait
that
for
we
pickles?
do a little bit
Yeah,
later.
cut diced up pickles here.
So yeah, this is pretty much.
All right, so now we get a pan and we
So we can take this
okay, and throw it in there.
and throw it in there.
Okay, we're
The
throwing that.
very spicy meat. Throw
On
it
top of the
there.
bacon.
On top of everything.
Okay.
And then we take the onions and the bacon from the bottom and put it on top.
Okay.
And then Mikey's gonna grab a little bit of hot water.
Okay.
Someone just asked who's the better chef, Mike, me or you?
I would say that I'm catching up to you. You've had some experience on the grill,
Yeah.
but now I would say
So
I'm putting the hours and the reps in now.
but you admit that I'm a little more
You
advanced.
make a good little, what do you call that Christmas meal that you make? You put like the honey and the maple syrup and the meat you marinate. That's pretty good, but you gotta taste this thing.
Thank you.
So we want to close this meat, so we move all the bacon and onion and make sure it gets, before we put, we use a pressure cooker just because we have no patience.
Okay.
And
So right now we're closing the meat. We're doing about a minute on each side here.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna am I pouring water in here now?
Just wait a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting a minute.
Yeah, because you don't want all the juice to.
Okay.
Don't get ahead of
Lock
yourself.
it.
So we locked it. So this one we've been preparing for the last half hour.
So what's in there right
And
there?
that's the same thing. We don't have a lot of time, so we wanted to show you what a finished product looks like. And so that's been pressure cooking for a half hour. In the bacon, with the onions, with water. And this makes it super tender. And it basically melts in your mouth.
Yeah, so if you don't have a pressure cooker, You would cook it for about an hour and 15, 30. If you do, then you do 30 minutes, and then we add the pickles and pickle juice,
Yep.
and we do another 10 minutes after that.
Should I get a plate? Should we take that out and put it on a plate and show them the finished product? Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
just give me a second.
Okay, I'm gonna come over here.
I'm gonna get this
Pickle
all
juice.
crispy now.
The steam's gotta come out.
Someone asked, have you cooked haluski?
Haluski.
Haluski.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What is
that's
haluski?
You had it before. It's the national dish.
How do you pronounce that again?
Haluski.
Haluski, Mike. Have you had it?
Is it cheese?
It was like the little gnocchi with cheese
Oh
and bacon on
yeah,
top.
that was really good.
Sounds
So
delicious.
that is national dish of Slovakia.
Yeah, it is actually really good.
So now
But,
we put the little bit of water.
Okay, water's going in now. But I want to give a shout out to Nadia's mom, who's an amazing cook. We call her Mamina, and she taught us how to do this. We usually have her on video, and she's our coach. So
I bet you can make a hell of a haluski.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna lift this up.
What kind of pickles are those?
There we go.
Is that a special kind of pickle?
We use dill pickles.
Dill pickles.
And then, so, you come here.
Okay.
No, not you, the video.
Okay, come on over here and check this out.
Okay.
Have a good look in here.
Here I come.
This is.
So we are closing this right now.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
And after half an hour, it's gonna look like this.
Let's,
So we are closing this pressure cooker.
why don't you have a little? You want to zoom in on this?
If you want me to.
That's it right there.
That's the one I want, the Slovakian version.
Yes. And so now what we do with this one, turn it on.
We turn it on.
We add the pickles
Okay.
into it.
Pickles go in,
Pickles go
and you
in.
take the top off.
Then we take a little bit of pickle juice.
Okay.
And then for this, you don't need the pressure cooking lid. You can just use the regular one.
Okay. What
And
are we making?
because Mikey is gluten-free, we use gluten-free flour. Just to make the sauce a little bit thicker.
You're still gluten-free in quarantine?
Oh yeah.
I feel like there is no such thing as gluten-free in quarantine.
Dedicated. Gluten-free for almost 20 years. I invented gluten-free.
Yeah, I know. I was on the kick, but once we, had the pandemic, I just said, screw it. Whatever I can eat, whatever I can get. Let's have some
There's
fun.
no tournaments coming up, so might as well. But I'm a gluten-free nut. So this is gluten-free.
So
We're gonna add this
about
pickle
1
juice.
tablespoon of flour and pickle juice. A little bit of pickle juice.
That goes right in there.
Okay.
That looks scrumptious.
And then we just get the regular lid,
Okay. I'm gonna go get that.
which is it's actually right here.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
and
Look.
you see it got way thicker, the sauce. And we do about 10 minutes.
I am hungry.
In the meantime, we can get the rice ready.
All right. And tomorrow we have, who's doing the live feed tomorrow? It's
It's
Karina Rivera, one of the top pastry chefs in the world. 4 o'clock Eastern time. Same thing, it's gonna be a little bit better than ours, probably.
What?
She makes a damn good pastry. But so we're doing the rice right now. And we like to have a little bit of carbs,
Is that gluten-free rice?
gluten-free rice, but we put a lot of butter. So I add the Kerrygold butter on there.
Why do you put so much butter?
Good fats, good fats.
I thought fat's bad for you.
No, this has butyrate, which is great for the
Good
gut.
fat.
This is good fats. Fat is not bad for you, Bob. Let fat be your friend. I'm gonna get a little knife and I go a healthy slab. Right there.
I feel like if I get fat, that's bad for me.
You actually-
Butter doesn't make you fat though, right?
No, you actually start burning fat if you eat fat. So I'm gonna add a little brain octane oil. This is
Good for your chest.
this goes straight to the brain. All right, so I got fatty rice now. And to make it look good, does that look good?
Well, not anymore.
Okay.
But I guess.
I'll go a little less. Okay.
I just wanted to make it look a little bit prettier.
All right, let's get that meat out.
Yes.
I'm ready for it.
All right.
Okay. Here is the famous Slovakian dish called Mike and Nadia's meat. What do you want, this? Okay. This is what everyone's been waiting for.
Mike and Nadia's meat.
I'm saying it doesn't look amazing, but it tastes so good.
It has a lot of flavor.
You know, a lot of the juice.
You have to put the juice on there. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite just to see if it's done.
Sorry guys, it's really not one of your
And this is my
beautiful
first
dishes.
bite of
but
food of the day because I've been intermittent fasting.
It's also a lot, so be careful, please.
Why don't you let me? I'm a skeptic. Why don't you
Okay.
bring me a
So
little?
Bob Bryan is filming right now. He's gonna taste it.
He's a tough critic, so.
On a 0 to 10 scale, what do you give
Hold on.
this meat, Bob?
It's super.
Mike and
Okay.
Nadia's meat.
Just blow on it a little bit.
Okay, bring it in, bring it in.
Okay. All right, let me know your thoughts. It's amazing, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Good work.
There it is.
You guys killed it.
So that's the finished product right there. Great meat with pickled bacon, onions, and then we got a little rice on the side. We've had a lot of fun with you. You've seen our kitchen. You can hashtag what's in your kitchen, and Taste of Tennis will put your videos on. And then another hashtag is Citi Taste of Tennis. We love the Taste of Tennis. This has been a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll do it again. We might not get the call again, but I don't know, this was a first. So
It was okay.
Thank you guys for watching.
we'll see you next
You
time.
guys were good. Peace.